Welcome to Lesson Craft Studio. This is the video created for you, which will show you how to use some features and tools in the matching app that we have on our website. Now, we start with creating or generating a worksheet, and we see here that this is some pairs of things. In our case, this is the images and the beginning letters. You see that we can choose, as always, the category, what we want to work with, and we choose in the mode image to beginning letter, and you can see that we chose items in the supermarket and corresponding letters to it. And now let's try to see if it works in other languages, and of course it does. If we choose a different language, as you can see, everything is directly translated into this language. All the items, names, and categories are also in the language which you choose. Now, if we go back to English and let's choose a different category, let's say it will be animals, and we generate a worksheet with it. And you can always check everything is correct in your answer key. And you can also play with other things, like you can for example, change a mode and a matching mode. What we had before, it was matching the image with the beginning letter of this image. Now we chose something which is called image plus word to image plus word. And in this case, you need to choose everything manually. You go and pick individually each item. You can pick them from different categories. For example, now what we will do, we will match the pairs by categories. So we chose 2 items from animals, 2 items from fruits, 2 items would be from like Christmas, for example, and now we will do the second one for Christmas. Let's choose the Christmas tree, and 2 items from the category of like music. It could be like a music note and something else from music, maybe like a violin or a singer. And now when you press on generate button, you see that you see the images, the names under the images, and they're categorized by categories. They're matched by categories. Of course, because these are different modes, what appears in front of you maybe will be misplaced or something. If you don't like how it looks like, you can always manually, using the contextual tool box, you can move them around, you can replace them, you can place it somewhere in a different place on your page. Great thing is that you can either do it one by one, or you can move the whole column or the whole row together, and of course it will always help you to align them, either align them to the left, align them to the right, or centralize them so that it would just look better on your created product on your page. So you see that this is this mode. Now we can try to choose different mode, which is image and word to image and word. You see that you need to again go ahead and pick some images in our library, and it already kind of gives you the image and also the name for it. So on the right side you're choosing images, and then you're choosing what it will be to the word. So it will be image, word, and when you generate, you see that you need to pair up images with the names of these images or words. Again, we can now a little bit just make it prettier. Now, by clearing all, we will move on to a different mode, and this would be the image word, but we are actually working on our answer key right now. So it is the same thing. You can either work from the worksheet or answer key. So it all looks the same. Now we've picked all our images, and then we're picking that the image should correspond to the name of it, or word as it's called on our menu, and we generate. So as you can see, everything is as it should be, worksheet and the answer key. And now we're going to move on to the last mode possible here, and this is image to a custom word. And this is amazing because it gives you an opportunity to create something of absolutely unique and your own. You can choose, you can either download your own images, or you can choose from our image library. And then it is how your imagination plays. So, for example, you want to teach how these things are called in a different language. So you're picking or choosing all the images, and then by hand you're just writing in customized words to it, or for example in this case words in another language, and then just simply create it, and here you go. You have an absolutely unique and wonderful worksheet with customized words, and it could work for anything you want. So go ahead, try it, and print it out.